Hey, Andrew. What's going on there, buddy?
I made another poor financial decision.
And what would that be?
I'm sitting on it.
Oh, jeez. I see how this video's going to go.
Well, we could at least unbox it and make me feel better, I guess.
Yeah, I guess we could do that.
All right. I guess.
All right. What do we got to get first?
All right. Let's get one of these pry bars out and a nice hammer. And we'll gently unbox this.
Gently wasn't in your vocabulary.
Not exactly. Ah, yeah. Fucking pry bar operator. Probably just. There we go. There's the goodies. Will not step on those nails. So I gotta do this all by myself.
Well, yeah, I guess. It's your poor financial decision.
We have a toolbox. Looks like it was part of a fucking Play-Doh set. Got some foam. Got some directions that we don't need.
Don't use the instructions. Be a man.
Got a box of something or other here. Earplugs. For men, we don't need those. Something that looks like ear fucking tweezers. Ground clamp.
You know, lenses.
Yeah. See, he knows more about this than I do, so. Whatever this is.
No, you're gonna want to keep that if you ever have to ship it back.
What?
This right here is where the gun connects to the fiber optic, and that's to protect it.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, apparently these are cotton swabs. For
did they spell it right?
I think so. Ceramic ring. I'm guessing that's for the gun. Looks like some consumables.
Weld sample? Is that what that is?
Yeah, it's actually got a weld sample. Looks like they actually used it and tried it out. My welds will not look that good, I guarantee you.
Wow, brother, good golly.
Got a cable for the nerds.
Either A, it's to calibrate it, or
Oh,
for the
this is
CNC.
the power cable. That's got to be the power cable.
Quick connect.
Yeah, it's quick connect to the back. Look at them tiny ass wires.
Hoping this thing doesn't draw a lot of power.
Looks like some kind of communication cable.
That's probably for your wire feed.
Yep, and then this would be the liner.
No, that's your wire.
Yeah, it's the wire feed. Be a liner.
I don't think it's a liner. I think it's the wire feed itself.
Yeah. All right, well, let's put all this shit back in here so I can lose it somewhere else instead.
It's all gone! They've taken it all! Why are they doing this? Go!
How heavy is this?
This was like 300 pounds.
This is true on back.
Yeah. This is 13 kilogram, whatever that is in American. I think that's probably the wire. Comes with a spool of,
Give you wire?
comes with a spool of stainless wire if my shitty memory is right.
All right. Trying to hold the box for you. You know what's really funny? Look at the size of the wire feed. Look at the size of the machine.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to give that a second. You set this down. Dual drive rolls.
And it has a spot for your other spares.
.0, .8, whatever that means.
Are they knurled or are they just straight?
No, these are just V drives. Now I got a box for my trash, so that's nice.
I will say, here's my one concern.
So what's the earplugs for? I don't get that. I mean, what kind of purpose is that?
I can understand like safety for glasses and maybe gloves, but earplugs.
I don't think laser welding's loud, you know.
Huh?
The cutting might be. That might be what it's for.
Or the cleaning.
Could be.
Here's my just 2 cents of unboxing. Why is there no strap on the laser welder itself?
Because fuck it, that's why. If the cut sample passes the test, it means you have mastered the thin sheet cutting technique. Whatever the fuck that means. Should be wires. Be wire. Yep. Wish they would ship it with aluminum wire.
How many 2-pound spools of wire do you have? Will those work?
Yeah, but I like having my 2-pound spools of wire. I don't like using them. I've only had them for 10 years. And it doesn't tell you at all what is on this thing, actually. Unless there's something in here. Nope. Doesn't tell you nothing. This actually looks like steel wire.
Solid core steel.
Yeah, it feels like steel wire.
Looks like steel wire. I'm gonna guess it's gonna smoke like crazy.
What?
The wire.
I thought you were talking about when the machine caught on fire.
We're gonna get to that.
Oh. Jumping the gun a little bit on that.
Hey, just because it's bad financial decisions, put beer down. You want a hand?
So, do you think we actually sustain any damage? You want to like bet on it? Is there a single scratch? That's the question.
I bet there's a scratch.
God, why do you gotta tell me that stuff? That's a fucking trailer light on the front. Beam attenuator.
Key control.
Attenuator? Oh my god, they forgot to send us the keys. We're fucked.
Send it.
Should we read the directions or just send it?
Well, I don't know what beam attenuator is, so I think we might have a hard time reading the instructions.
But you own like 2 of these things.
I didn't read the manuals though. And I didn't know.
You don't know what a beam attenuator is?
No, I don't. But mine also doesn't have trailer lights to it either.
Yeah, that is true. That's kind of neat though. That thing was a whole like 25 cents in China. Laser cutting is a highly complex technology that requires a good understanding of cutting principles. Content not found.
Oh, that's a great way to start with this.
Okay, unboxing and installation. That's what we want.
Well, that's quite annoying. So they have this labeled like total shit. So they have a brown as line, yellow is PE, which is normally ground, and then they have blue as neutral. Well, in their video, they show neutral and line is 220 leg to leg, and then PE is your ground. So neutral is not neutral, it's L2. And we're running, technically in the US, it's 240 split phase, which 220, you're right on the top end percent of your 10 to 15% voltage range. So it'll be fine. If not, we let the magic smoke out. It's on.
It's strictly prohibited to aim at a human body.
Cool.
Apparently. fuck did I buy this thing for then? Fix it.
Cutting mode is in operation. Go to welding mode.
Bunch of shit I have no idea what the fuck it means.
Speed. Pre-blow. Post-blow. Feeding mode. Wire direction is forward. Pulse width ratio. Hertz. Laser mode. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't be touching buttons. We don't know what buttons do. Scan frequency, which is your, I think, how fast it goes, and then the width is how wide it goes. Cutting mode. Rust cleaning mode.
They have an American fucking measuring system mode.
You can turn the gas on. Lasers. Wire feed. System settings. You can do an update. Oh, you can change the language. Product activation. Oh, you can save your programs. Oh, here it is. Your
Stainless
thickness.
steel, carbon steel. They don't have an aluminum one. I wonder how you're supposed to fucking weld aluminum with it.
You can do custom settings.
Yeah.
Advanced. We can't go into the advanced settings.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Password's wrong. 3333 or 9. Sometimes. Is there any alarms? Communication failure with the wire. Laser alarm. Low air pressure. Chiller alarm. Welding. Oh. I think the only downside I don't like about it is the fan runs constantly. That's like it turns on and you want to shut it off. Okay, I hit it, but why are the fans still running? So, where are we at now?
So where we're at now is we've done the unboxing. We've seen what this machine comes with. Now we have to just go figure out how to actually use it because I have no idea. For the last 10 years, I've been MIG welding, TIG welding, stick welding, and using the plasma cutter. I've seen Spencer with his lasers and stuff, but all this is extremely foreign to me. So we're gonna go back in the office and we're gonna watch some videos and pull up all the information we can on how to use this machine. And then we'll have some more videos for you guys. This is just part one in a series of videos we're gonna make on this machine. We're not in any way sponsored by Gweike or however you pronounce it. I don't really know. I bought this with my own money. So this is a real honest review of this machine. So far, I actually really like how well it's built. I wish the directions had been a bit more clear on exactly what they were for. We actually just, as you saw there, pulled up the QR code and there were several videos in there. So I'm gonna go back and watch those. But it just wasn't clearly marked on the paper. I bought this machine off of Amazon strictly because I wanted to use my Amazon Prime store card.
What's the cheapest though? This is the cheapest machine.
I do believe, yeah, that it was the cheapest. I didn't buy it just because it was the cheapest, but that's here nor there. The packaging was, the box was good. I think this could have been restrained inside the crate better. First thing Spencer pointed out. But other than that, everything arrived, it's not damaged. There's no scratches, dents, or anything like that. We're just gonna have to see what happens, I guess. So if you wanna find out what that is, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.